Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to see how I created this Diwali look inspired by Anushka Sharma. So it was a pretty easy makeup guys, because I have picked out this look because it has very less of accessories and makeup to play with. It's a neutral natural makeup that she had gone for, a matte finish, blush cheeks, neutral lips, and then a smoky eye. So yeah, and then of course a tightly combed hair pony basically. So this is all the look is about. It's very easy, and this tutorial is going to be short as well, so please watch till the end and do subscribe to my channel if you like it. I'm going to come up with a lot of other inspirational makeup videos and other fun vlogs, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna talk in between the video, because it is going to be self-explanatory on what I'm gonna apply and how I'm blending it out and all of that. So before that, I just want to explain you guys that I'm going for Makeup Forever Kajal in Aqua Black shade for my smoky eye, and I'm gonna blend it with the brown eyeshadow. So whenever you go for a black smoky eye, make sure that you blend it with the brown eyeshadow, because that's gonna give a natural throw to the look. And Anushka had gone for a very matte finish for the face and lips. It's going to be very tough for me because I love highlighter, and so today we're gonna skip on highlight. That's going to be really tough, but anyway. And yeah, I'm gonna start with a primer now because my skin feels a bit dry. I just washed my face, and I'll be applying lip balm before I go ahead with the look, so my lip will be moistured before I go for lipstick. So I'll also be mixing two lipsticks today. One is from NYX in the shade of Budapest, and then Huda Beauty in Icon. So this is going to give the exact shade of Anushka Sharma's lips. So let's see how I create this look.